windy, and the temperature dropped like 20 degrees probably. At least my fire's still going. It's wet, and my tarp tent thing over there leaks, so that's great. It should be over by 6 o'clock though, so. Yeah, it's cold and wet, and yeah. Well, it's a little better now. You can actually see across the valley again there, and fire's still going, so that's good. Kept me nice and warm. A little wet, but not bad. Only, you know, I had my jacket on, my pants, so pretty good. Got pretty windy there for a little while, but yeah, doing well. Hey, how's it going? So, I've been riding an adventure bike for a while, not really doing any camping or anything, but this is my first time out camping, and I'm in the mountains of Idaho, out here for work, and had a few days off. Decided to put a few things together and come out here and do some camping. So yeah, it's been fun so far. I got up here, it's currently, I think it's about 6-7 o'clock, and got up here about 1:30. Got things set up, had some late lunch, and you know, was reading a book and seen a storm blowing in across the valley, and yeah, went through a little squall there for about a couple hours. It got pretty windy, and it temperature dropped quite a bit, but out here having fun. So yeah, if you like this kind of stuff, hopefully I'll have some more coming this, and hit that like and subscribe. Thanks.